there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also, do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. All right, guys, so welcome back to day 11. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. Okay, so as you can tell from the title, we are going to be defining our desired results. Okay, because once you have planned, okay, this is what I want and this is what I want to do, it's very important for you to define what success looks like for you based on that thing that you're doing, based on that action that you're taking and that goal that you want to achieve. Because if you don't define that, okay, if I can do this, if I can maybe reach this percentage of completion rate, if I can complete this 75% of the time, if I can finally get the document ready to go, then you would know that, okay, you do not have to now look at other places for validation, and you can validate yourself based on those actions that you've created. At the end of the week, you can look, okay, I was able to come up with this. I have this tangible thing that I can say that, yes, I have done this and it has given me the result that I want, and this is the result that I planned for, and this is the result that I got. Okay, so it's very important for you to just have that accountability for yourself and also that motivation, because you know that you have said something and you actually did it, like you got the result. Okay, so it's not so much about only focusing on, okay, this is what I need to do, but what do I need to have, what results do I need to have at the end of the week, at the end of each week, to make sure that I am reaching my goals. Okay, and it's also the thing of like, okay, so if you do not get your results, you know that, okay, you need to switch something up in your actions. So it just helps to keep you on track and just make sure that, okay, you are making real progress. And once you have decided what success is for you, it's just going to make your life 10 times easier, because you know that you have the thing that you're aiming for. And once you get that, you're good to go, right? So yeah, that is what we're going to be doing today. So let's get our resources and let's get started. All right, guys, so if you got our PDF templates, then once you print it out, it's going to be like this. So it's kind of similar to the actionable tactics. You just want to write down the goal, the exact goal that you want, and then you now want to write, okay, so week 1, what should I have accomplished? Like, what is that desired result that I want? So as I said before, you can always check ChatGPT for this. You do not have to now start racking your brain at, oh, what result do I need to get? Like, ChatGPT is just going to really, really help you with this, because you may not exactly know at the top of your head, okay, this is what I need to be doing each week, but you can just go to ChatGPT to break it down for you, so that you know that, okay, you can keep yourself accountable. So of course, ChatGPT is not the all or nothing. Like, if you decide that, okay, you want to switch things up and make them different from what ChatGPT recommended, you can do that as well. Okay, but I would just highly suggest that you do not try to write this down based on your head. Check ChatGPT, and then you can now decide, okay, this is what I want to keep and this is what I do not want to keep. Okay, so this is kind of linear, but if you want to create your system, if you want to continue building up your Notion system, then let us get on to how you can actually do this step with our Notion template. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so once you open up the template, as you can see, we have the today, which is day 11, because today is 11. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page that you're going to do this. So before, as I said before, as you saw in the actionable tactics, is the exact same way. So you're going to see all of the goals that you have set based on your life areas. Okay, so we have career, personal growth, finances, and health. So I'm just going to be going to the one that we did for the actionable tactics, so that, you know, just better that way. You can see here now we have the results for the one, because I did that one previously. So as you can see, this is the way it's going to look like. So if you want to do it for this particular goal, all you need to do is just, of course, go to the ChatGPT prompt. You guys, do not waste your time trying to, honestly, like, take my word for it. Okay, take my word for it. If you just take my word for it, it's gonna blow your mind. Okay, because of course this goal, it may not be your goal, so you may not really understand the full depth of how it can help you. But once you have your goal and you're committed to your goal and you see what ChatGPT can do for you, based on your results, you're gonna be blown away. Okay, so you just want to, like, put the name of the goal. So just copy the name of the goal and then just put it in the blank here. So you have it. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT has for us. So you just want to copy this now and just go and put it here. And so as you can see now, what it has shown us is that it's giving us based on like, okay, week 2, week 4, week 6, week 8. So as I said before, you can just ask it, okay, make it for every week, and it's to give you for every week. But just for the sake of this video, we're not going to be doing that. So as you can see, because this is like a monetary goal, it's giving us, okay, like breaking it down, breaking that 5 million down into like quarterly. So it's just really good. But if for instance maybe you are going to launch something that you hope that will give you, you can let it know that, and it's going to adjust the goal to what you want in particular. So you can say, okay, maybe for from week 1 to week 4, like I do not want to be tracking my expenses. Can you give me other results that I can use? Like it's just going to help you. So yeah, that is what I would recommend. So let me show you what it looks like for like another, like one that is not like monetary. So as you can see now, it's giving you, these are just the things. So you will just know that, okay, all these things that I'm working towards, all these actions that I'm doing, this is the end result. This is the end result I'm trying to get. So it's just going to motivate you and also keep you accountable. So if you want to add it to the system, as I said before, you want to add it to the system, everything has been, arranged for you. You don't need to worry. So if you want to add it to the system, you cannot just leave it as a list like this. You want to be able to track it. You want to be able to track, okay, I have done this, I have done this. It's for week 1, it's for week 2. So just want to click on this. And once you click on it, as you can see now, it has created a block under this goal. Okay, so that is what it is. So any goal that you have, you do not need to worry. Just click on this new result, just click on this new tactic, and it's going to create the goal, and it's going to create the tactic or the result under that particular goal that you're working on at the moment. I hope you understand what I mean. Yeah, just do it and then you see what I mean by that. So yeah, so now we're just going to do, so it was giving us 500k for week 2, so we're going to do 250k. But please guys, do not click on new page. Do not, because let me do it. If you click on new page, as you can see, it doesn't have this blocker. It's not going to like put what needs to be in the system. So yeah, you don't click new page, always click new result here, because that's where the automation and everything is. So yeah, so of course, as I said before, you can just like decide to plan these things based on just week by week. Maybe you can be doing it every month. You just plan from week 1 to week 4, then the next month from week 5 to week 8. It depends on you can plan it. If you have the time, you can plan, but you can just make it like this. So anytime you now want to start afresh, you can always just come back here. So anytime you want to start a new month, you can always just come back here and just put it, okay, week 4, week 5. Guys, that is just basically that for that. So as you can see, this is the way it looks for the other life areas. So we have for these ones as well. As you can see here, we have for this, we have for this. So yeah guys, that is that for today's video. I really do hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that it has motivated you for you to do this step. Please do this step. Do not skip this step. Do not say, oh, it's not important. No, all these things, they're just helping you gain more attachment to these goals. Okay, so it's no longer, okay, this thing, like, no, you have planned everything, you can see the end. From now you can see, okay, this is what I need to do, this is what I need to have. You can see all these results that you're going to get. So it's just going to motivate you, and that's just what I would highly recommend. I'm so proud of you, because the fact that you have gotten it to the end of this video, that means that you want to do the right thing. So yeah, do the right thing, and you can either use your own resource, or you can get our free PDF template, or you can use our Notion template. So yeah guys, that is just after that, and I'll see you in tomorrow, which is going to be day 12, where we're going to be building our habits. So see you there.